Hello friends, welcome back to SPK English Academy. In today's class, we are going to discuss literary concepts part 2. I have already discussed literary concepts part 1 and part 2 in the last classes. So these literary concepts are very important for the exam purpose of UGC English Net and some of the states set examination. Every year's question paper, there may be 5 to 6 questions regarding literary concepts. So we will discuss in today's video most important literary concepts and who coined those concepts to literary theory and English language and English literature. First, to look at John Ruskin, he coined the concept pathetic fallacy. Next, Martin Esslin, he coined the concept theater of absurd. So, theater of absurd, this concept was asked in the previous KSET question paper. Roman Jakobson, he coined literariness, metaphor, and metonymy. Mikhail Bakhtin, he is from Russia. He coined the concepts of dialogism, polyphony, the carnivalesque, the chronotope, heteroglossia, outsidedness, the unfinalizable self, cultural prosaic. So all these concepts were coined by Mikhail Bakhtin of Russian great critic of. So in every year's question paper, among these Bakhtin's concepts, there will be one concept compulsory in UGC NET and KSET question papers. Now I have to look at next I.A. Richards. So he gave 4 kinds of meanings in poetry. Those 4 kinds of poetry are sense, feeling, tone, and intention. So this question was asked in the previous UGC NET question paper. William Emerson, he was one of the greatest new critics of English literary theory. He coined the term ambiguities. He also wrote the work 7 types of ambiguities. Next, F.R. Lewis, modern great critic, he coined the term great tradition. This great tradition about the great 4 English novelists, they are Jane Austen, Joseph Conrad, George Eliot, and Henry James. So these are the 4 greatest novelists that F.R. Lewis included is critical work, that is great tradition. In every year's KSET question paper, this great tradition was asked. Next, Hillis Miller, he coined the term or literary concept critic and host. Noam Chomsky, one of the greatest philologists of English language. So he coined the competence and performance concept. Next, we come to great linguist Ferdinand de Saussure. He was one of the greatest structuralists also. He coined the terms language and parole, synchronic and diachronic, semiology, and paradigmatic and syntagmatic. Charles Sanders Peirce, he coined semiotics, means study of science. Next, Balzac, Saracen, Todorov, narratology. Now we have to look at Jacques Derrida, one of the most important psychoanalytical critic with Sigmund Freud. He coined the concepts like inalienable split, the insistence of the letter in the unconscious, Baudrillard, hyperreality, Frederick Jameson, depthlessness, Mark Herkimer and Theodore Adorno. These critics coined the culture industry to English literary theory. Next, Linda Hutcheon, great critic. He coined historiography. W.E.B. Du Bois coined double consciousness. Antonio Gramsci, the most important critic, literary critic, he coined the two great terms to English literary theory, subaltern and hegemony. So these two concepts deal with patriarchy and the oppression of the low caste and proletariat in the society. This deals about the different classes of the people who are living in the present society. It deals about the rich people and the poor people. So this subaltern concept is very popularized by Gayatri Spivak. Next, Salman Rushdie. You know very well Salman Rushdie, author of many great works and novels like Midnight's Children, his greatest work. So he used the term and coined the term imagined homelands. Gayatri Spivak coined the term or literary concept strategic essentialism. Now next, Luce Irigaray coined mimesis, Hegel, dialectic. The literary concepts which were coined by different structuralist and literary critics of the world. So these are very important to you. If you like this video, please share to your friends and also comment on the video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you have to subscribe to my channel so you can find also other videos relating to English literature and literary works and also literary theory and literary critics. You go to YouTube and search in the name of SBK English Academy. You will get more than 100 videos regarding English literature and literary theory.